Hello everybody. In this video, we will show you how to use Magic Eraser tool to remove objects from your photos or to remove any other things. Unfortunately, the default iPhone app does not currently offer a Magic Eraser tool. This feature is available through Google products like the Google Pixel. However, you can still use it on your iPhone by downloading Google Photos app. Go to App Store and download Google Photos app to use Magic Eraser tool. Download Google Photos. After downloading it, uh, grant all the permission. You'll need to grant the app permission to access your photo library. After granting permission, go to Google Photos. Now tap on this icon and turn on backup. Turn on backup. Tap on confirm and turn on backup. Go to backup and tap on confirm. And after turning on backup, choose the photo which you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this photo. Now after selecting it, tap on edit. And after tapping on edit, tap on this tools option, and from here you will find Magic Eraser. Tap on this Magic Eraser and simply, if you want to remove any object, just simply circle it. For example, once you circle the object, it will be erased. I want to remove this object, circle it, and it will be removed. As you can see, the whole part is removed. You can continue erasing multiple items like pots, chairs, or any other item in your photo. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap on done. You can find it here. Tap on this done tab, tap on done, and save. You can choose the save the edit photo as a copy, which allows you to keep the original intact. Now after saving, compare the original photo. Tap on save and you'll get this option. Tap on save as copy. After saving, compare both the photos and you will find that the Magic tool have been worked. So that's it. That's how you'll use Magic Eraser tool through Google Photos. Thanks for watching.